Hello everyone, I am Nitin Kirti, working as Assistant Professor at Vignan Bharati Institute of Technology in Civil Engineering Department. I am here in front of you to give a brief introduction about Transportation Engineering course to be studied by third year BTech first semester in this academic year 2021. Transportation Engineering as per R18 regulations by JN2H. Here the students are going to study about the only one mode of transportation, that is roads. So coming to transportation. Transportation is a movement of humans, animals and goods, or in simple words I can say it is a movement of people or thing from one place to another place. So transportation can be further divided into or categorized into two. Firstly, infrastructure. Second, vehicle and operation. So coming to the first category, it is again subdivided into five. So that first division is roadways or highways, second is railways, third is airways, and fourth is waterways, canals, and fifth also comes under the waterways, that is pipelines. And coming to the different authors or papers, the categorization or classification of transportation varies. So the whatever the categorize I have mentioned is a general categorization. So transportation is movement of a people or thing from one place to another. So what is transportation engineering? Transportation engineering is one of the discipline of civil engineering, and it is one of the important course in civil engineering stream. And coming to the application of transportation engineering is application of technology and scientific principles in planning, functional design and management of facilities. So transportation engineering is an important course for the civil engineering students because this transportation engineering course deals with the different modes of transportation and their transportation facility to provide a safe, efficient, comfortable and economic mode of transportation to the peoples. So why a transportation is required? A transportation importance, or I can say importance of transportation is a transportation is mainly mode. Transportation is a contribution to the economic development, industry, social and cultural development, and transportation is very important in our daily life or for our daily works or for traveling from a home to office and from office to home. So transportation is essential or important. If inadequate transportation facilities been provided, what happens? It leads to disturbance of the transportation system in the country, and also it leads to the whatever the transportation system defined in the country leads to economic degradation. So transportation is a very essential component. Coming to the transportation engineering course as per R18 regulation, here the students are going to study about only one mode of transportation, that is roadways or highways, and all the aspects related to road development plans, highway projects, highway planning, highway alignment, geometrics of highways, road to traffic studies, traffic engineering studies, highway materials and design of flexible pavements and rigid payments along with overlaid designs. So this was a brief introduction about a transportation engineering course and what is transportation and essential or importance of transportation. Stay at home, be safe, bye bye.